I don't know if there's any. I'm going to let Mary pick what she wants because I cut the ones out I wanted, but I didn't ask her what she wanted. So I'm going to let her pick some that you would like in green on a mask. Okay. I'm doing this mask is the one I'm doing. This is going to be the celestial mask. I guess, Mary, you're going to guess you're doing that one, unless you want to do the celestial one.
I'll do the white one.
You do the white one. So, yeah, it's a blank canvas. You can do anything you want.
Ooh, I like that one.
This is really, yeah, those are really cool. Now, I have this one already cut out in a different color. Okay. So we'll cut those out for you. Okay, so I roll this not, fairly thin, not too thin. And we're just going to press, shake, because these have a lot of scrolls and stuff. You really want to try and get a good cut. And once they come out, you actually can adjust the shape. See, I can actually adjust it, play around with it, but we're going to keep it because I know she likes that. Now, when I do, usually I do a mirror. Do you just want one, or what do you want to do?
I'll do a couple.
Do a couple, okay.
Then I have room to play with.
Then you have room to play with.
I can always change my mind.
And if you want, I mean, you can, obviously play around with them.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing you can do, of course, if you want a mirror image, didn't press it well enough. A lot of these cutters have mirror images already, but this one does not. So there we go. If you have to, you can wipe the cutter. Come here. All right. Come out. All right. So if I want a mirror image, this has this side doesn't cut. It doesn't cut very well. So I flip it over, and what I do is I press, because you can tell that the cut edge is rounded, right? So we just kind of press with our fingers so it looks like we cut from that side. Press gently, smoothing it, and just dry it. So now I've got a mirror image.
Okay.
Anyways, I don't know what you want. Oh yeah.
Do one more of these and I'll make a mirror image of it as well.
Okay. Is there anything else you want?
My lovely assistant, Tami Utley.
Just tell me what to do. She's taking over. Last time I worked with an assistant. Just kidding.
I taught her everything she knows.
She has been so helpful. She's been so helpful. Making faces while I'm not. No, she's been very helpful. It's been wonderful.
It's Lisa Ellis's fault. She's off camera.
Oh, it's always me. Okay.
There, you can make your mirror image. There you go.
Thank you. Turn it upside down. Around the corners. See, I've never done this before either.
Smooth it with your fingers.
All right, let's make those two look alike.
Okay, and just trying to think of what else I want. I have no idea. Well, I guess we can cut it if we decide. I decided I wanted some of these too. So there we go.